Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back again with another video. This time I'm going to be installing some LED lights for my fog lights, again from Sealight. If you had a chance to check out one of my last videos, I did a high beam and a low beam install, and I really like the lights, so I decided to go ahead and give these lights for the fog light a try. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get these installed, and then we'll go ahead and take a look and see how they turned out. Alright guys, so what we're going to go ahead and do is get this LED light, fog lights changed. What I did to make it a little bit easier is I turned my wheel all the way out. That way you can actually get up in here and sit in here. So let me go ahead and get in here. Alright, so you can see the fog light right here. And then all you have to do is twist it, and then it will come right out. There we go. So once you have it out, what you're going to do is you're going to lift these two tabs right here, and then you're just going to pop this off. So I'm going to go ahead and set this down here for a second, and I'll be back when we got the new one installed. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I got the new LED fog light bulb. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is get that put in there. I found out that from doing the other side, when I put the bulb in first, it was actually a lot easier to get everything plugged in. So now that I got it plugged in, I'm just going to snap it in place when I get a chance here. Alright guys, there you go. So you can see that I went ahead and got that plugged in. For me, I'll tell you, it was a lot easier actually just to plug the bulb in first and then take the connector after, and then just go ahead and snap it in. But that's pretty much all you got to do. So now let's go ahead and take a look and see how they turned out.